1932, a large number of emu birds entered the wheat fields in Australia. Farmers in Western Australia were shocked and terrified as they struggled to protect their crops from a new enemy. The emu birds' invasion was so severe that farmers called on the government for help. In response, the military was deployed to tackle the emu problem. However, they found that these flightless birds were surprisingly much stronger than they expected. The emu's speed and unpredictable movements made them difficult targets. Despite the soldiers' best efforts, the emu managed to dodge the gunfire. After weeks of unsuccessful efforts, few emu birds were killed and many soldiers were injured, leading to the military's withdrawal. In the end, the military was unable to defeat the emu. The Great Emu War ended with the victory of emu birds and was marked as an unusual yet memorable event in Australian history.